Alright guys, just a quick little show of me taking off this 3M using this Dremel I got from AutoZone. It's like $50 for this thing now. It's pretty expensive. And just getting this off so I can get this back. You know, when you have kids, they like to pull on stuff. So this is what happens. See that guy on the ground? But yeah, let's get this off, get this done. So I got it finished. I got to clean it up a little bit better. Just gonna wipe it down better, but it's all cleaned off. Just quick. And while I did that also, I was like, I had these sitting in my garage, in-channel ones. They look pretty good. Nothing crazy. It goes with the front one I had on. The front's a little old. Nardo coupe. Nardo van. Coupe. Yeah. But yeah. Got this done. Get this thing back stuck on here with some M3. But go to Walmart, grab the M3 right now, and Home Depot, one of the two. Get that done and change this oil and throw some winter tires on here, and that's about it.